herein. Put vinegar on the bread and throw it in the trash can. Watch what happens the next day. One of the most used products in our kitchen is the vinegar. This product we use to give a special flavor to our meals. In addition, it is essential to prepare rich dressings to spray the salads. However, other people use it to combat health evils due to its medicinal properties. However, today we want to show you uses that you never imagined that you can use the vinegar. 1. Uncover pipes. One of the worst nightmares of any housewife is that the sink pipe is covered. If that happens to you, you do not have to disassemble the pipe to solve the problem. Just pour half a cup of baking soda into the drain and add 1 cup of vinegar. When you stop making foams, wash the sink with hot water and uncover. 2. Remove the glue. Sometimes, after peeling off a duct tape from the wall or other surface, it leaves a sticky substance. To remove it, simply pour some white vinegar into a spray bottle and spray the area. After a few seconds, we passed a napkin and goodbye to the glue. 3. Eliminates bad odors. If your trash can stinks, even though it is empty, the vinegar is the best solution for you. Take a piece of bread and moisten it with this substance. Then you put it inside the trash can all night. At the next dial, you will remove the bread and you will notice that the bad smell has disappeared. 4. Multi-purpose cleaner. To be able to leave flawless the whole house, many buy various cleaning products for each place. But you can make your own multi-purpose cleaner at home. Take a jar with spray head and fill with 1/3 vinegar and the rest of water. Finally, add several drops of your favorite and ready liquid detergent. 5. Kill flies. 6. Removes wrinkles. 7. Goodbye to the scratches on your furniture. 8. Increase the life of your flowers. 9. Clean the glasses. 10.